give my regard
Vibrations.
to all the media's friend for responding our call to attend this press conference. Puilano ang joto na hambay marogo sini press bondhu rogno ini oro sini press briefing kana phaimani bagai puilano ang hambay ronai sini buisu bisi ketal angui tango ini goria botai ter aban bagi joto no sini tiprani basirogno tipra sarogno joto tiprani bororogno ani khakofur kakasang bay hambay yafaro sini buisu bisiketal ni mungui tebo hambay yafar nai ino jorago sini thangnai edis songmari o songmari go sini kebangma sini borok sini patino lak asa booth likha abani bagai kuilla borono belai cha hambay e khakkama yafaro sini booth arok. Today, we have an emergency CC meeting held 13 to 14 April. In this executive committee meeting, we have resolved 4-point agenda, which I want to declare with the press. In this CC meeting, we resolve one number agenda in order to contain post-election violence. Further stringent action must be taken up by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the section of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compelled to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement all over the state, especially in Addis area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in Addis area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident. We have a lot of FIR filed and also we have identified so many culprits directly, indirectly, who involved in this violence, we have already identified, and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I'm also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPP party will be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement, if situation continue. Ini ang sanamusugo ni hoite ini poento violence sorai tongo jaga cha jeng khobor main tongo nok soksago auto soksago event burini godnani rangchak rikchak rok seikang thango teibo se kwbangma nukha ar marini sebaigui rang lakh lakh even ini simna nin obo subol singo prai 6.5 lakh rang bori tongmani bor ar mari bisingni abo ni boro lut khaitlang thangka teibo bele wana masingsa pukhri rogo bithi roi rogo tui nungene kol aro bithi roi rogo kwa rogo tei mairung rogo jeta na mairung tongmani a mairung rogo kerosene buli rogo abo bele wana masingsa obo hai je tongmung obo hai je gotona abo kuno din yakko abar bagai je kuno borofone involved thum he may belong to any party, political party. Culprit is culprit. Apne action mana nai abar bagai ang koi nai chini especially chini the pramotha ne volunteer ragno because we do not know in the name of the pramotha ne bumung nagui oma hai borok samung khayo abok phano chini borok kabangma khari matongo nin khwai rogo nini outla rogo telamra rogo tiri tibrasa rogo borok taun phai matong phai borok belai khen osiba tongo chunlukka sing maneski tongo abor mang koi nai chini sarkar mo sing koi nai immediate relief rana bagai tai government prashashan thangai ni tahsildar ba jikun encourage lagi borok nok sokhajak mani nok khamani even malmata borok plangai thango they very interesting in the name of the Pramotha or some allied organization borok receive bago bijay sob khaina hanai borok receive bago borok rang chanda sano onek jon borok jonglukha chino receive butongo 10,000 20,000 30,000 klai borok receive ani ro the Pramotha ne bumungtei chino receive tong tei sudu receive ya phone by donkey rogo rang mari phainai 10,000 20,000 30,000 omai klai jeng chinhar kamang mari putong o belai ke durbagyo kapal hamia bori bagai jeng omono sanai chin IPF party jeng nai tongo jeng tei chojjo khlaimanglak jodi si omai jer continue tongklai jeng tude tumru jeng dison nanai jeng sara tipor rajyo nangke jeng bon kere nai jeng rasal ko khlainai jeng je democratic movement peaceful movement jeng khlainai abagai ang koi nai chini bhasan koi nai tei jin public je kono party phone ongthum ang bor koi nai omai violence omai tamung sitra tate taungthum moni bagai ang barban koi sago jeno compel taklai di chini jeng nahari tongko ani volunteer rok ani public rok kabang tabun hajar jeno phone khai tongo যদি omai ke tongka tini bo gosona kanaka mandai go auto soksai rokha abo jeng report mai tongo obai jodi continue tongklai jeng bisi nai singlak ani style rok nai singlak jeng peaceful flight jeng democratic movement jeng bo khlainai hambai